stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted every time I see your face.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video guys, we are going to change our bed sheet, and also we are going to keep our comforter, and we are going to change it into bedspreads.
I will follow you wherever.
So this is the bed sheet guys, and the bedspreads that we are going to put on our bed. Look how messy my bedside table guys, but don't worry because we are going to clean it and arrange it.
I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now, cause I don't wanna slow this down.
So let's get started guys. I will try not to talk too much guys because I want you to enjoy the music, and I hope while you are watching this video you are cleaning with me or tackling something.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever.
Okay guys, so finally it fits here because this is the bag guys, so I can keep it and until autumn and winter again. So yeah, I'm so excited to change the duvet or the comforter guys. These past 2 nights it was really hot, so yes, because it's summer soon. Yeah, so yeah, it's time to change.
Promise that
I am using Pronto to wipe down the furnitures.
And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air.
So Haley came and asked me something about her homework. And now I am tackling this pink basket guys. I put many things here like chargers, earphones and whatsoever guys. I edited most of my videos on the bed guys while the kids are asleep.
Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air.
now I'm just continue wiping.
I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit.
Sorry guys, this footage is blurry.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning.
Yes guys, so our bedroom is already clean. Yahoo!
The footage while I was putting the bed sheets, guys, was corrupted, so I have not that video.
Hi guys! Today we're going to make a clock.
And the materials that we need, guys, are a piece of paper plate, pencil pen, black pencil pen, pencil,
Pink glue,
yes, glue or any kind of glue. We only have this pink glittery glue. This pink, yes, glittery glue. And we also need piece of paper, guys. Cartolina, we call this cartolina, guys, right? This kind of hard paper, cardboard paper, they call it here. Ruler, scissors, and paper, white paper. Okay guys, so we are going to prepare everything, and then we are going to show you guys how we are going to make it, okay?
I forgot to film the process, guys. Yes. So Hailey is now gluing the numbers.
You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just like
Hailey showing you the snippet of the unfinished product.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay
Hello, so we finished already. This is her craft, and she's going to practice how to tell the time. Yes,
now it's 3 o'clock.
yes, it's 3 o'clock. Correct. So let's put like this better. I'm not sure if I made this right. Very good, Hailey.
Daddy,
Daddy taught you, huh?
yes.
Very good.
forever?